Very good morning. The subject name is Power Plant Engineering. The subject code is ME8792. I am Dr. Elilan, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about selection of site for nuclear power plant. Various factors consider selecting the site for nuclear power plant as follows: availability of water, distance from load center, distance from populated area, accessibility to site, waste disposal. First, availability of water. At the power plant site, an ample quantity of water should be available for condenser cooling and made of water required for steam generation. Therefore, the site should be nearer to the river, reservoir or sea. Distance from load center. The plant should be located nearer the load center. This will minimize the power losses in transmission line. Distance from populated area. The power plant should be located far away from populated area because it is avoid the radioactive hazard. Accessibility of site. The power plant should have rail and road transportation facilities. The transportation facilities is very, very important of the site selection power plant. Last one, waste disposal. The wastes of nuclear power plant are radioactive and there should be sufficient space near the plant site for the disposal of wastes. So it should avoid the transportation. Waste disposal option for thermal power plant. Disposal of the increasing amount of solid waste from coal-fired thermal power plants is becoming a serious concern for the environmentalists. A 400 megawatt thermal power plant emits 500 tons of fly ash per day, and the ash content of coal in India varies from 3 to 42%. India, nearly 85 million tons per year of fly ash is generated per annum at present, and it is largely responsible for environmental pollution. Although the scope for use of ash in concrete brick making, solid stabilization treatment, and other applications has been well recognized. Only small quantity of the total ash produced in India is currently utilized in such application. Fly ash disposed in ash ponds. Primarily, the fly ash is disposed of using either dry or wet disposal stream. In dry disposal, the fly ash is transported by truck or conveyor at the site and disposed of by constructing a dry embankment. India use wet disposal system, and when the logons are full, four basic options are available: constructing new logons using conventional constructional material, hauling of fly ash from the existing logons to another disposal site, raising the existing duke using conventional constructional material, raising the duke using fly ash evacuated from the logons. The option of raising the existing duke is very cost effective because any fly ash used for constructing duke would, in addition to saving the earth filling cost can be grouped into three broad gauges: upstream method, downstream method, central line method. The first one is the upstream method, the configuration of embankments constructed using the different method. The construction procedure of an aqueduct includes surface treatment of logans as spreading and compaction, fencing, and soil cover. These are the figure for the upstream method, downstream method, and central line method. Treatment of wastewater of steam power plant. If the wastes water from the power plant is not properly handled, it will pollute the water basin. Various type of wastewater collected from the steam power plant are given below. Wastewater from water treatment plants. Second one, water from hydraulic acid disposal system. Third one, rainwater collected on the territory of power plant. Last one, cooling water used in power plant. The wastewater from water treatment plants contains various metal salts, acids, and alkalis, which may affect the water basin. It ensures the water basin, wastewater basin of hydraulic acid disposal system not having any contaminations before it goes to the water basin. So the cooling water of plant carries an enormous amount of heat. This heat will affect the water basin. So the heat is to be reduced before it goes to the basin. The water purification is done by the following method: filtering, rotation, centrifuging, coagulation, setting, and clarifying biochemical methods. Pollution control technology, including waste disposal option for nuclear power plant. The management of radioactive waste. First one, second one, the danger posed in case of accident is very high and long standing. The radioactive emission during the operation of the power plant is negligible, but the emission intensity is very high, which comes out from the wastes. The radioactive waste coming out of 400 megawatt power plant would be equal to 100 tons of radium daily. This much of radioactive waste disposal to the atmosphere would kill all living organisms within the area of about 100 square kilometers. Therefore, safe disposal of nuclear waste is a major problem and it is very much essential. Many number of methods are developed for the last 25 years to dispose of various types of nuclear waste safety. These all are the references. Thank you.